A Fat Girl's Confidence. I'm fat, so what? A book by Patrice Brown. Most people think big girls have low self-esteem, and do not feel as sexy as the models with the perfect bodies that we constantly see on TV. The author of this book never knew there was anything wrong with her, until she kept seeing people on TV, telling her she was too fat, too sloppy, and definitely ugly. Every commercial emphasizes the need to have that perfect plastic factory body. While everyone thinks that fat is sloppy or unattractive, she has learned to embrace it. She chooses to live her life fat, free and fabulous. And she is here to motivate you. Patrice Shavone Brown reveals her truth and secrets to being and becoming a proud fat girl. As you read this book, you will discover the confidence that you never thought you could have. Join the Confident Fat Girls movement with Patrice. Let's be the beauty they all said we could never be, she concludes. A Fat Girl's Confidence is available on Amazon. Get your copy today.